In the realm of automotive prowess, the harmonious purr of a well-tuned engine is the auditory emblem of power and precision. Yet, beneath the hood, there are instances when this symphony takes an unexpected turn, transforming into an unsettling cacophony of noise. What is the source of this mechanical discord? Join us as we unravel the mystery behind the common causes of excessive engine noise, peeling back the layers to reveal the orchestration beneath. Understanding the crescendo. Worn-out timing belt. One of the leading culprits behind the jarring engine noise is a worn-out timing belt. This vital component synchronizes the engine's internal parts, and when frayed or damaged, it can cause a dissonant rattle, signifying potential trouble. Lack of lubrication. Engines thrive on the smooth interplay of components, and when lubrication falls short, a harsh metallic clatter can ensue. This ominous sound often points to insufficient oil levels or degraded oil quality, highlighting the importance of regular maintenance. Loose or damaged belts. Just as a maestro controls the tempo, belts in the engine compartment maintain the rhythm. However, when these belts become loose or damaged, the engine responds with a shrill, persistent squeal, a clear call for attention. Exhaust issues. A malfunctioning exhaust system can turn the engine's melody into a grating roar. Leaks, cracks, or a failing muffler can amplify noise levels, disrupting the vehicle's acoustic equilibrium. Harmonizing the symphony. Solution 1. Regular maintenance. Embrace the role of a vigilant conductor by adhering to a routine maintenance schedule. Timely oil changes, belt inspections, and overall engine health checks can preemptively address potential noise issues. Solution 2. Addressing exhaust woes. Engage in periodic inspections of the exhaust system. Identifying and rectifying leaks or damaged components can restore the engine's melodious hum. Solution 3. Professional intervention. For persistent or complex noise problems, seeking the expertise of a qualified mechanic is crucial. A skilled technician can diagnose and address issues that may elude the untrained ear. As guardians of our vehicular symphonies, let's not turn a deaf ear to the cries of our engines. Subscribe to our channel for more insightful automotive content. Share this knowledge with fellow enthusiasts, and don't forget to hit the notification bell. Together, let's ensure that our vehicles continue to hum with the sweet melodies of a well-maintained engine. Until then, happy motoring.